Well, good morning everybody. It's a beautiful day in Turks and Caicos again. I'm going to do a little bit of a walk down the beach while Sue and Peter are doing yoga. I think Anna's getting breakfast ready. And we'll see what we can see. Alrighty, so just got back from my walk on the beach and picked up some stuff for Sue on the beach. Check this thing out. Isn't that cool? And then I got one of these thingies. It's like a piece of a shell. And it's got like parts of, I don't know what those things are, coral or something inside of it. It's really cool. And the beach is full of this type of stuff. Alrighty, well, Sue and I just cycled down to Turtle Cove, all the way from the 7 Stars Resort, and that didn't take that long, but it's a long bike ride, especially with the bikes that they have for to borrow. They're interesting bikes, let me tell you that much.
1 speed with back pedal brakes.
Yeah. Anyways, this is...
Mine's purple. Chuck has boring black.
Yes, flat black. Anyways, this is where we're supposed to be going for scuba or snorkeling. But I'm not sure where we would go in because Anna and Peter aren't here, of course. So we might do a little bit of a bike tour around to see what's around and find out where it is. So here we are at there's a Turtle Cove and the reef right there.